Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you the previous year solved question paper of Aligarh Muslim University LLM entrance examination of the academic session 2020 to 2021. I've already discussed with you the latest academic session of 2021's solved question paper. I'll share the link in the description box below. You may watch the same. So let us start. So in this session I'm going to discuss with you a total number of 50 objective type questions, and this year the number of objective type questions were 100. So let us start. Question number 1, according to Savigny, which of the following is the source of law? This is option number A, Volgist. 2. Who states law grows with a nation, increases with it and dies at its dissolution? This is option number B, Savigny. Question number 3, Sir Henry Maine suggests that after the 4 stages of development of law, divine inspiration, customary law, priestly development and codification, if a law ceases to develop, the society is option number A, static. Question number 4, according to Austin, general jurisprudence is the philosophy of option number C, positive law. Question number 5, legal order is a pyramid of norms, is a statement of option number B, Kelsen. Question number 6, the concept of living law was expounded by which jurist? This is option number B, Eldridge. Question number 7, who described jurisprudence as lawyer's extraversion? This is option number C, Julius Stone. Question number 8, the bracket theory in jurisprudence is related to which of the following? This is option number C, legal personality. Question number 9, who among the following is the author of the book Law and its Compass? This is option number A, Radcliffe. Question number 10, which of the following is the recommended theory of punishment in view of human rights? This is option number A, reformative theory. Question number 11, Article 16, Clause 4A, which gives power to the states to make laws regarding reservation in promotion in favor of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, was added by option number B, 77th Amendment of the Constitution. Question number 12, on whose satisfaction the period of emergency shall be extended for operation in case security of India or any part of the Indian territory is threatened? This is option number C, President of India. Question number 13, the doctrine of collective responsibility is provided under article, option number B, Article 75, Clause 3 of the Constitution of India. Under this article, the Council of Ministers is directly responsible to the President. Question number 14, the Constituent Assembly was established on the proposal of option number B, its cabinet mission. Question number 15, on what grounds under Article 352 the President cannot issue a proclamation of emergency? This is option number B, internal disturbance, because this issue, this ground of proclamation of emergency has been removed by 44th Amendment Act. Question number 16, 10th schedule of the Constitution deals with option number C, provision for disqualification on ground of defection. Question number 17, if a new state of the Indian Union is to be created, which of the following schedule of the Constitution must be amended? It is option number A, first. Question number 18, the law declared by the Supreme Court becomes law of the land under option number C, Article 141. Question number 19, reservation of seats for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in every panchayat is provided under article, option number A, 243D of the Constitution of India. Question number 20, in which article of the Constitution of India has the joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha has been provided? This is option number B, Article 108. Question number 21, ratification can be done for the act which is done on behalf of the option number C, principal. Then question number 29. So the next 8 questions I will be dealing with you in the next pages. Question number 29, Mitakshara is a commentary on option number B, Yajnavalkya Smriti. 30, which one of the following is not essential for a valid gift or hiba under the Mohammedan law? This is option number D, written documentary proof of the gift. Question number 31, the term divorced woman is defined under the provisions of dash of the Muslim Women Protection of Rights and Divorce Act 1986. This is option number A, section 2, clause A. 32, Sapinda relationship has been defined under section 3, clause A of Hindu Marriage Act, option number C. Question number 33, who had formulated the Employees Provident Fund scheme? This is option number D, the central government. 34, zero defect, zero effect slogan is related to which of the following scheme? This is option number B, Make in India. Question number 22. Warranty of quiet possession is an example of option number A, implied warranty. Question number 23. The following can be patented. This option number D, all of the above. Machine, process, composition of matter. Question number 24. Dumping refers to this option number B, sale of goods abroad at low a price below their cost and price in home market. 25. The doctrine of frustration is really an aspect or part of the law of discharge of contract by reason of supervening impossibility or illegality of the act agreed to be done. It was said by option number B, Justice Mukherjee. 26. In India, the literary work is protected until option number D, 60 years after the death of author. Then 27. An unconsummated muta marriage would entitle the wife to option number A, half dower. Question number 28. Muta marriage is actually known as a contractual marriage. Question number 28. According to Anderson, there is no aspect of the Muslim law in which the logical and technical excellences of the Islamic system are more advantageously displayed than in the law of option number B. This is inheritance. 25. Which of the following are compulsory before making a young person work on a dangerous machine? This is option number B, 1, 3 and 4. He should be fully informed about the dangers of working on that machine. 3. He should have received the required training to work on the machines. And 4. He should be under adequate supervision of a person who has complete knowledge and good experience of working on this machine. Question number 36. When workers are consulted on the matters of employees' welfare such as work, safety, health, etc. is termed as option number D, consultative importance. 37. The three-tier system of adjudication are labor courts, industrial tribunals and option number D, national tribunal. Question number 38. Match the following. So the correct option would be option number D, none of the above, because this question, the list 1 and list 2 are not matched properly in the given options. Question number 39. A hangman who hangs up prisoners pursuant to the order of the court is exempt from criminal liability by virtue of option number B, section 78 of IPC. 40. Which of the following statements hold true for drying declaration? This is option number D. When eyewitness affirms that the disease was not in a fit state to make the declaration, medical opinion cannot prevail. 41. Which of the following section gives power to issue a warrant in lieu of or in addition to a summon and under which condition it applies? Is option number A, section 87 CRPC. First is the court believes that the person summoned has absconded or will fail to turn up, and 2, where he has without reasonable cause failed to appear. 42. The right of private defense of the property doesn't extend to causing option number A, public nuisances. 43. A private person is entitled to arrest any person who has committed option number A, a non-bailable and cognizable offence. 44. Section 112 of Evidence Act provides for option number C, presumption of legitimacy. 45. Which one of the following is not accepted by International Court of Justice as authoritative source of international law? This is option number B, positive opinions. 46. Which one of the following is not a mode of acquiring territory? This is option number A, revolt. 47. Which one of the following organs of the UN has the power to suspend or expel a member of the United Nations? This is option number D, General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council. 48. The right of self-defense provided in the UN Charter is subject to the judgment of this is option number B, Security Council. 49. International law allows innocent passages through option number B, maritime belt. And the last question is 50. Stimson doctrine is about, it is about option number C, recognition of state. So this is the session for today and I have did all the 50 questions. So I hope you all have liked this session. Do not forget to give a like, share and subscribe to the channel. So in the next session I will be discussing with you the previous year solved question paper of the year 2019. So with this note I am signing off. Have a great day.